BTS, Bangtan Sonyeondan, also known as the Bangtan Boys, is a 7-member South Korean boy band that was established in 2010 and debuted in 2013 under Big Hit Entertainment. The group, composed of Jin, Suga, J-Hope, RM, Jimin, V, and Jungkook, co-writes and co-produces much of their own masterpieces. Formerly a hip-hop group, their musical style has evolved to include a wide range of styles. Their lyrics often centered on personal and social commentary, touch on the themes of mental health, problems of school-age youth and coming of age, loss, the journey towards loving oneself, and individualism. Their products also often reference literature and psychological theories and include an alternative cosmos storyline. The group's name, BTS, stands for the Korean expression Bangtan Sonyeondan, which exactly means Bulletproof Boy Scouts. According to member J-Hope, the name implies the group's desire to block out stereotypes, criticisms, and expectations that aim at youngsters like bullets. In Japan, they are recognized as Baden Shonandan, which translates similarly. In July 2017, BTS declared that their name would also stand for Beyond the Scene as part of their new brand identity. This stretched their name to mean growing youth BTS who is going beyond the realities they are facing and going forward. BTS started its formation in 2010 after Big Hit Entertainment CEO Bang Si-hyuk met with group leader RM, Kim Namjoon, and was impressed with his rapping. BTS was initially supposed to be a hip-hop group similar to YG Entertainment's 1TYM, but between their original formation and their debut, Bang Si-hyuk decided that the modern youth needed instead a hero who can lend them a shoulder to lean on, even without speaking a single word. The group was meant to be launched in 2011 and featured on several tracks by artists such as 2AM and Lee Seung-gi before their appearance was postponed and the group was reorganized into a more traditional idol group. The list was then finalized with Jin, Suga, J-Hope, RM, Jimin, V, and Jungkook in 2012 when Jin, the oldest member of the group, was 20 years old. By 2017, BTS expanded into the global music market, spearheading the Korean wave into the United States and breaking various sales records. They became the first Korean group to receive a certification from the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, for their track Mic Drop, as well as the first Korean single to top the US Billboard 200 chart with their studio album Love Yourself. Tear, 2018. BTS also became the quickest group since the Beatles to receive 4 US #1 albums, doing so in less than 2 years, and Love Yourself, Answer, 2018, was the first Korean album certified platinum by the RIAA. In 2020, BTS became the first all-South Korean single to reach #1 on the Billboard Global 200 and US Billboard Hot 100 with their Grammy-nominated single Dynamite. Their following releases Savage Love, Life Goes On, Butter, and Permission to Dance made BTS the fastest tracks to accumulate 5 US #1 singles since Michael Jackson. Having distributed over 20 million albums on the Gaon Music chart, BTS is the best-selling artist in South Korean history and holds the best-selling album in South Korea with Map of the Soul. 7. They are the first Asian and non-English speaking artists to be named IFPI Global Recording Artist of the Year 2020 to chart on Billboard's top touring artists of the 2010s, setting them at number 45 and a headline and sell out Wembley Stadium and Rose Bowl Stadium. Love Yourself World Tour in 2019 starred on Time's international cover as Next Generation Leaders and named Princes of Pop. BTS has also appeared on the magazine's lists of the 25 most influential people on the internet, 2017 to 2019, and the 100 most influential people in the world, 2019. The group's numerous honors include 6 American Music Awards, 9 Billboard Music Awards, 24 Golden Disc Awards, and nominations for a Grammy Award and a Brit Award. Apart from music, they partnered with UNICEF to build the Love Myself anti-violence campaign, addressed the United Nations 73rd and 75th General Assemblies, and became the youngest ever recipients of the Order of Cultural Merit from the President of South Korea due to their contributions in spreading Korean culture and language. BTS was nominated as the Best Pop Duo or Group Performance for Grammy Awards 2021 based on their single Dynamite, but lost it to Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande with their track Rain on Me at the premiere ceremony of the 63rd Grammy Awards. No More Dream was BTS's first song during 2013, which climaxed at number 124 in Korea before quickly falling off the charts. While the album rose at number 5 in South Korea and eventually sold over 145,000 copies, it was not a major hit, selling only 24,000 copies in 2013. Most of the members speak Japanese fluently, especially V, and Jimin. Meanwhile, RM speaks impressively fluent English. The choreographers for BTS are Ri Hata. The Japanese dancer is the visionary behind a number of BTS iconic dances. Brian Puspos. He's a Filipino-American artist, and he shows in the fluid sensuality of his moves whenever he dances to the dreamy, electronic R&B hit Serendipity. Puspos' sleek urban style is also showcased in BTS' performance of Butterfly. Sienna Lalo is next on the choreographer's list. The 19-year-old Hawaiian dancer is the first face viewers will see in the music video for the K-pop supergroup's latest hit On. She has previously choreographed BTS' headbanging single Dionysus. Keon and Mary Madrid, the world-renowned husband and wife team, has choreographed popular singles such as Fire, Not Today, DNA. Next up, it's Sun Sung-duke. The BHE's performance director has been choreographing their earliest routines, creating some of their most popular moves, and overseeing their live performances, including how they gesture to and gaze at the camera. If you want more in-depth research knowledge such as this, feel free to subscribe to Arpedia and ring that bell notification. That way, you'll always be able to watch the latest published videos just like this. And also, don't forget to share your thoughts about the topic in the comments section. By the way, references are included in the description section too.